And good day in the Viking tongue. I am Bragi, I am the son of Magnar, and as you can see, I am a Viking. Now, today we are here for something special. Oh yes, and that is to celebrate the fact that we have 900 subscribers. Haha, thank you very much. Ik thanketh thee, in the words of the Saxons. Now, normally we put out some content to celebrate this, and we have one video out this weekend, which you have probably seen by now, and that video is basically a reaction video to the first video that Egil filmed, which was our old channel trailer. We will be making a new one soon, folks, watch out for that. But for some time I had a video in storage, but I couldn't find it. I thought it was a lost video, the video where I pranked Egil in an unboxing video. So this is what today's video is. I have managed to find it. Oh yes, I thought it was lost to the perils of time, never to be seen again. Luckily, it was still there on my hard drive. So coming up next is the video where I do indeed prank Egil. And I won't tell you much about it because I do not want to spoil the video. But before I go and I move along, I'd just like to say thank you very much. Both I and Egil are very, very pleased to have 900 subs, and we thank you from the bottom of our hearts. And please go and share this video on Reddit and with all your friends. So until we meet again, it is goodbye. Goodbye, folks. Hello, I am very upright Bragi.
Hello, very upright, loud Egil.
And good day, and welcome to the channel. So, how are you today, Egil?
Hip hop and happening, how are you?
Hip hop and happening,
Yeah.
You heard it here first, folks.
Half the way to Groove Town.
Oh yes, as Egil would often say, stay groovy.
Woof woof.
Now, what are we here for today? They may be asking that.
Well,
I know.
is it something to do with a parcel?
Yes. Now, on YouTube video, we call these... On YouTube, we call these videos, Egil. Can't speak them. Oh dear. Unboxing videos.
Unboxing videos.
And we could have hashtag unboxing Vikings.
Right.
Because let's face it, what would you want to see? Somebody dressed as a Viking unboxing things.
Why not?
So, what are we here for? Well, no, I think I'll be alright for one night. Okay. Let's stand a bit closer so you can see what we're doing. Look.
Okay.
Hello. So what have you been up to in the last week, Egil?
Me? Just grooving about, doing my own thing. I've got some washing to do tomorrow.
What is happening with Mouse Creek? Your mouse problem.
It has been solved. Final victory parades will be held. I only got 3, but I got rid of them. Hello.
Here we go, Egil. This is what we always wanted.
It's stuffed out.
No! A pair of slippers for me.
Hey! Let's have a look at them. Oh yes, very beautiful. We're going to try them on.
Maybe not on camera. This is a pranking Egil video.
Oh.
I just got some slippers, Egil.
16 quid.
No, they weren't 16 quid.
I was going to say. You've got someone's foot in here.
Throw that away, can't Egil? No, you're not meant to do it like that. That's rubbish, Egil. You're meant to do it like this. Just randomly throw it in the direction of the camera. So yes, this was an unboxing prank video. These aren't actually Dark Age items.
Got a very happy looking pattern on the bottom, but never mind.
Yes, there we go. Pranking Egil.
Oh.
Oh, that was a prank.
I'm sure that the viewers there really love that one.
No, but they would actually, because they love this kind of stuff.
Right.
So, it's goodbye from me until the next time you see each other in another unboxing video where I promise it will be a Dark Age item.
And it's goodbye from him.
I think Egil was a bit confused.com.
Yeah. Hashtag crazy.
Goodbye. Leave a comment.
I'll finish my coffee.